Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing a mini pocket letter that I created in collaboration with Tombow USA. I am on their design team again this year, and I had done an Instagram post sharing this mini pocket letter, so I wanted to share with you guys the process video. Here you can see I'm using a mini heart punch to punch out some little hearts using some scrap paper. And I'm going to use the Tombow Mono Dots adhesive to adhere these hearts down in a kind of random order and pattern on the center pocket letter card. And the reason I'm using the Mono Dots is because you have a little bit of time to readjust before the adhesive sets down permanently. So it's really good if you're just kind of eyeballing things so you're not quite sure how you want it to look. Because like I said, you have a little bit of time. So once that card is ready to go, I'm just going to slide it into the pocket, and you can see that I trimmed off the excess of the hearts, and it adds another little layer, a little bit of texture and a fun pattern to my pocket letter. I'm also trying to use up some of this acetate that has a gold marbled effect on it, and I wanted to add some alphas to this pocket letter, but the phrase I wanted, "Hey girl, hey," was too big to fit on one card completely. I probably could have like smushed things in there, but I wanted it to be a little bit more spaced out and a little bit more fun. And these alphas do not want to stick anymore, so I'm just using some of the Tombow Mono Multi XL liquid glue to apply a small amount of adhesive to the back of the alphas, and then once those dry they will stay put. I like to move my adhesive over to a precision point applicator. I just find it easier to use and a little less messy. And then this washi tape is beautiful, but for some reason only half of it has sticky on the back. So again, I just used some of the adhesives to put that on the front of the pocket letter. And for all these other bits that I'm going to put on here, I'm using the Tombow Extreme adhesive. That is my favorite adhesive. It's a glue runner, so there's no dry time, and it is so super strong. It works great for things like the outside of pocket letters or pocket pages or vellum or acetate and things like that. So if you have not tried it yet, please definitely do so. It was one of my crafty favorites of 2018, and I'm sure it will continue to be a crafty favorite this year as well. So I love these little puffy heart stickers from Crate Paper. These are from a couple of years ago, I think, and I bought a bunch of them, so I still have quite a few, but I'm trying to be a little bit stingy with how many I use because I don't want to run out of them too quick. But here you can just see I'm adding some more little hearts and layers and things to this pocket letter. I really wanted to add on this bow clip, but it was sitting a little bit too far out, so I'm just going to snip into the pocket page a little bit and just slide the back of that into the slit that I made, and then it looks really cute. So that is the pocket letter. I'm going to include a little note card in the back here, as well as a couple of little tea bags. So I have this toasted coconut one that I got from my friend Serena, and then this chamomile vanilla one that I think I got in some Happy Mail. But I thought this would be kind of nice because I could pop this in the mail, and then when my friend receives it, she can read the note while she drinks her tea. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!